Common daily use sentence. In English.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Wash your face.
Wash your face.
Take a bath.
Take a bath.
Get dressed.
Get dressed.
Comb your hair.
Comb your hair.
Eat your breakfast.
Eat your breakfast.
It's time to go to school.
It's time to go to school.
Wear your shoes.
Wear your shoes.
Listen to the teacher.
Listen to the teacher.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Don't talk.
Don't talk.
Open your book.
Open your book.
Sit properly.
Sit properly.
Speak way.
Speak way.
Don't fight.
Don't fight.
Share with others.
Share with others.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
How was your day?
How was your day?
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Change your clothes.
Change your clothes.
Take some rest.
Take some rest.
Finish your homework.
Finish your homework.
Don't watch so much TV.
Don't watch too much TV.
Help your parents.
Help your parents.
Keep your things in place.
Keep your things in place.
Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Say sorry.
Say sorry.
Don't lie.
Don't lie.
Don't waste food.
Don't waste food.
Help your friends.
Help your friends.
It's dinner time.
It's dinner time.
Drink water.
Drink water.
Time to brush your teeth.
Time to brush your teeth.
Say your prayers.
Say your prayers.
Time to sleep.
Time to sleep.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams. Please like and subscribe.